Hi, my name is Mike. Welcome to Terraform Tapas. If you enjoy these videos, please subscribe for more bite-sized tips and tricks. I use Terraform every day as one of my main developer tools. So how does Terraform work? Terraform has a very simple 4-step workflow to follow. First is coding. You have to write your infrastructure as code in a Terraform configuration file, also known as a .tf file. This includes the actions that you want to achieve and the infrastructure that you want to create or update. Second is initializing. By running the Terraform init command, the Terraform configuration file that you wrote will be processed and all the dependencies like different Terraform providers will be loaded in. Third is planning. The Terraform plan command can be very helpful to verify your syntax and make sure that your configuration can be executed. You will see a response on the command line from Terraform if there is a syntax error or if everything is correct. You will see what type of actions will be taken in the next step, and this includes resources that need to be created, updated, or even deleted. Finally, the last and fourth step is applying. By running the Terraform apply command, you can finally instruct Terraform to execute your configuration and apply everything that you've written in your code. This also includes connecting to your vendor's Terraform provider endpoints. As a bonus tip, if you want to skip the manual verification step, you can run Terraform apply-auto approve to skip the manual step. Use this wisely. And there you go. 4 simple ingredients to go ahead and use Terraform successfully. If you are hungry for more Terraform tapas, subscribe to Akamai Developer. See you soon!